Firstly, from Monday to Thursday, that was yesterday, from Monday to Thursday that the market was open, make use of the chat box and type the challenges you face in trading so we can answer it wherever you have a question, wherever you are facing challenges, so I can answer it for you guys before we go to the main teaching, before we go to the main class. So guys, make use of the chat box. Yeah, I'm recording already. So guys, make use of the chat box and let me know the challenges you have been facing in trading this week. So I'm going to share my screen. We all will be seeing it and I will answer it one by one. So guys, anyone? This is 8:09. From 8:09 to 8:11, if I did not see anyone, then I'm going to just proceed to the class. So let me know if you have any challenges so far in your trading or if you are finding any part difficult. So guys, I'm waiting. Anybody? Anyone, guys? Okay, so someone typed, please, when you enter the TP and SL, do you leave it running or you have to close trade? Okay, so we are going to answer that. I need more people, more questions. If you're having any challenges, if you're having any problem, okay, someone just how to break even. I think that is what it's called. I don't seem to understand it. Okay, someone said how to break even. Okay. Okay, someone said, yes, I'm a newbie and I want to try to trade using demo first. Okay, don't worry. This class, I'm going to teach you how to open a demo account. So let's continue. This is 8:10, so we have 1 minute more. After that, then we start answering the questions. Then we proceed to our normal class. Okay, this is 8:11 already. Let me share the screen, guys. Share screen. Please, if you can see my screen, drop a 1. Guys, if you can see my screen, drop a 1. All right, good. Now, let's start with the first question. This person said, please, when you enter the TP and SL, do you leave it running or you have to close trade? Okay, guys, if you enter a trade and you put your TP and your SL, just leave the trade alone. Do you get, guys? Just leave that trade alone to run in either in profit or in loss. You understand? Don't close a trade that you place. Don't. Only except the experts told you to do so. If the expert didn't tell you to do so, just leave that trade. Now, the second question. Yes, I'm a newbie and I want to try to trade using demo first. Yeah, it's okay. It's cool if you want to start using demo first to practice. You see, I encourage people to use demo first so that they can learn how to break even, how to pick trades, everything about trading. You get, so it's fine to build your confidence, but don't let it take too much time. I think yes, 2 to 3 days is enough for me. Yes, 1 week. You understand? So yeah, it's fine. So this person said how to break even. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to teach it today. So pay attention. Oh, the market is closed. There's no way I can teach you how to break even. But don't worry, I'm going to explain it in the way you are going to understand. So pay attention. This person said, how do you identify your structure and resistance? How do you identify? That one is analysis class. So I think by 2 p.m., Goldmine used to host analysis class, so always join them to learn. They are going to teach you analysis there. And also, we have an app whereby they have done some short teaching already about analysis. So you can plug in with them and learn. So let's continue, guys. Suzanne also said, also how to break even. Okay, I'm going to teach you. Okay, this person said, I'm trying to type mine. Okay, if I pick a trade and put my stop loss and take profit, what else do I need to do? Sincerely, there's nothing you can do. You just have to wait, be patient for the trade to hit your TP or your SL. You understand? For it to see, you can place a trade and be seeing loss. Don't close your trade because that trade that is showing loss, that's showing red, can go back to full TP. I've experienced this so many times. My trade will almost want to touch SL like this, and you will just see it, boom, back to full TP. So just be patient. Wait for the trade to go in the direction it wants to go. But only close a trade if the person that dropped the signal asks you to do so. You understand? So this person said, please also explain, please also explain almost everything, especially basic like how to take TP and elsewhere. Don't worry, I'm going to explain that. So guys, let's go to the class. Now you all can see my screen. Now we are all trading from a group called, please mute yourself, please. As you are joining, try to mute yourself, guys. Please, I'm begging. Guys, I'm begging. So try to mute yourself as you are joining. Okay, so let's continue, guys. So now, guys, we are all picking a trade from a group called Goldmine. And sincerely, yesterday was a very, how will I put it? Yesterday didn't really go well, but not only in Goldmine, guys. Me personally, my personal trade. You understand, guys?
Hello, please, can you check your audio? We are not hearing anything. Yeah? Thank you.
Sorry, we can't hear you, sir. Please, we can't hear you, okay? Omit your call, please, sir.
Sorry, guys, I'm back. The Zoom kicked me out. Sorry, guys. Network. I'm back, guys. Guys, I'm back. Let me know if you can see my screen. Drop a one. Thank God I even checked. Guys, if you can see my screen, drop a one. Okay, guys, let me know from where you stop hearing me from, please. Let me know from where you stop hearing my voice. Guys, let me know from where you stop hearing my voice. Can anybody type? From where do you stop hearing my voice, guys? Oh, after I answered the question, wow, that's crazy. Okay, guys, let me start. Okay, guys, let me start again. Now look at it. Look at it. Okay, let me start again. After I answer the question, wow, I'm looking for it. Okay, this is a Telegram group. This is where we all pick signals from Goldmine. And guys, this group is mind blowing because they have a lot of results. Now, let me show you how you can easily pick trades, especially buy now and sell now. Are you following, guys? Firstly, what you should check is the time they drop it. What time did they drop it? Now, look at this signal now. They dropped this signal around 11:31 a.m. and this is 8:22 p.m. If you see this signal, you should definitely know that, oh, I'm not to pick this signal. You understand? So timing is also important, especially buy now and sell now signals. Now, the next thing you should check is okay, going back to the first one first, checking the time. You see, they drop this trade around 11:31. If you see this trade around 11:31, it's still valid. If you see this trade around 11:32, 11:33, It's still partially valid until you confirm this second thing. Now, confirm if they have not said TP1 hits. If they have said TP1 hits, know that the signal is no more valid. Even if it go back to entry, just know that it's no more valid. Any trade that hits TP1, know that that trade is no more valid. Or any trade that hits SL, just know that the trade is no more valid. So always watch out if they have said TP1 hits or SL hits, just know that that signal is no more valid. Are you following, guys? Now, maybe you see the trade around 11:31 or 11:32 or 11:33. This is what you should now go and do next. Let me see. Hope I'm seeing with you guys. Guys, hope I'm still with you. Let me know, guys. Just type yes or no. Let me know. Okay, good. Good. So let's continue, guys. Now, maybe you see the trade around 11:31, 11:32, or 11:33. This is what you should go and do next. Go to your MT5. Are you following, guys? Go to your MT5 and come to this place, your quote. Now, they ask you to buy. Let me see. Okay, look at it. They said XAUSD, sell now. XAUSD is gold. So they ask us to sell now. This is what you should do next. Come here and look for XAUUSD. If it's not among here, click on this your search bar and look for XAUUSD. Are you following, guys? I'm doing this thing step by step because of the beginners. Now look at it. This is it, XAUSD. Then click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to appear here. Are you following, guys? So this is it, XAUSD. Now, if they say buy now or sell now, please mute yourself as you are coming. Mute yourself, guys, please. I'm begging. So, guys, this is what you are going to do next. Click on the XAUSD. Who is that now? Mute yourself, guys. Please mute yourself as you are coming, guys. Mute yourself. Guys, please mute yourself as you are coming, please. So it won't echo. Please mute yourself. So, guys, let's continue. Let's continue. So this is what you are going to do next. If you click on XAUSD, next thing you have to do is click on charts, not trade, charts, especially if it's a buy now or sell now. Click on charts straight. Once you click on charts, it's going to bring you here. What are we concerned about? You see all these numbers here? All these numbers here, we are concerned about them. You get it? Because that is where they are going to tell you to buy or sell from. Are you following, guys? Now, what else are we concerned about? You see this straight line that is here? This straight line that go to the number side. We are also concerned about it because that is where it will show us where the current market price is. Are you following, guys? Now, look at it. Look at it. If by the help of the straight line, we can now know that market is now currently on 4675.63. Guys, are you following? 4675.63. That is where market is currently on. Now, why are we doing this? Because when they gave us the signal, they said that we should sell within 4732 to 4736. Are you following, guys? So that is why that place is important. But you know that this signal has been long, I think since when? Since April 1st. So market has passed this entry, you understand? So now, assuming when you go to this place, market is around 4731. Then you can now sell from there. Maybe this entry now, this place. Maybe market is around that place that they asked us to sell from. Maybe market was around 4732 to 4736. You can now sell from there. Guys, this number simply means go and sell gold, but don't sell it if it's not within 4732 to 4736. So if it has passed 4736 upward, don't sell from there again. Maybe you are seeing 4737, 4738. They are simply telling you don't sell from there. So if that line is on 4732, you can still sell from there. But if it's on 4731, 4730, don't sell from there. You get, guys? So from 4732, you can sell from there. 4733, 4734, 4735, 4736, you can sell from that range. But if it has passed that range, don't sell from there. Are you following, guys? Now let's pick it up. Maybe market is around 4736. Guys, note, maybe market is, we are just imagining, it's not on 4736, but let's just imagine maybe market is around 4736. Sorry, guys. This is what you are now going to do next to be fast about the signal. What you are going to do next is, all this thing I'm teaching you, you won't waste time. Within 1 minute, you are done with all this thing. You have placed your trade. So what next are you going to do? What you are going to do next is, you see this rectangular box under my battery percent. This rectangular box. What you are going to do next is, you are going to, this red and blue box, not the second one, oh, this rectangular one. Let me see, hope you guys are still following. Guys, are we still following? How can I disable this waiting room? Let me see. How can I disable this waiting room? So that whenever they are joining. Okay, let me go to host tools. Let me go to secure waiting room off. Okay, I've done that. So guys, we are following, right? Okay, good. Good. I like that. I like our response. Your response is giving me energy. So like, the more you respond, the more I'm going to teach you best. So let's go, guys. Let me see. Any issue? Okay, no issue. So guys, let's continue. So let's assume our market is on 4736. You understand? What you are now going to do next is, you see this rectangular box, not the second one, no. This rectangular box under my battery percent, this red and blue. Click on it. Are you following, guys? Once you click on it, this place will appear. Currently, market is closed. That is why we can't see it very well. You understand? If the market is not closed, this buy will be showing blue. This red will be showing red. This buy will be showing blue. This sell will be showing red. You understand? So once you click on it, a buy will appear. Buy and sell. So next thing you are going to do is, this place is called our lot size. You know that is 0.01 that you used to put. Tap it and put your 0.01. Guys, I'm advising you to use 0.01 because you have a small account size. And this is gold. Gold is very, very fast. You understand? It's highly volatile. So if you should go and use a big lot size with your $50 or $100 or $200 account, you are just going to see that on 1-2 trades, your account is gone. If trade go and hit SL, you understand? So be careful. Know the right lot size to use. Don't worry. On Monday, I'm going to teach you guys how to calculate your stop loss and your take profit before you go into a trade, before you even know the lot size to even use if you feel like increasing. So don't miss my Monday class. I used to host class every Monday. You understand? So guys, if you put your 0.01 or any lot size you feel like picking, maybe 0.05, maybe 0.1. So let's go with 0.01. Okay, don't let me use 0. Okay. Next thing you are going to do is fast. Click on buy if they say you should buy, or click on sell if they say you should sell. Are you following, guys? Click on buy if they say you should buy. Click on sell if they say you should sell. Next thing you are going to do is quickly come to trade. You see this place, trade. Click on trade. You are going to see that your trade that you click, that you press buy or you press sell. What else are you going to do? Maybe this is it. Let's assume this is it. You are going to slide it like this and click on this pencil. Can you see this pencil? Click on that pencil. Now, what else are you going to do? You are going to put, it won't show price if it's running already. It won't show price. Market is closed, right? Let me see, maybe BTC is running. Let me see BTC. Okay, BTC is running. Click on charts. Click this place. Can you see? Buy, sell is already showing. You understand? So if they ask you to buy, you click on buy. If they ask you to sell, you click on sell. Now, guys, I use 0.01, Abi. Let me use 0.1. If they ask you to buy, you click on buy. If they ask you to sell, you click on sell. Let me now use one lot size. You click on buy, you click on sell. You understand? Now, what else are you going to do, guys? What you are going to do next is, please, guys, this is a demo account. This is not a real account. This is a demo account. You understand? So pay attention. What else you are going to do is, you are going to slide it like this, slide it to your left, and click on this pencil. Can you see it, guys? Next thing to do is, you are going to go back to Gold Mine and go and check. You're going to go back to Gold Mine and go and check the stop loss and the take profit they gave to you. Check the stop loss, check the take profits. Now come back here. Put the stop loss they gave you and put the take profits they gave you. Now let me just imagine a stop loss. Maybe I want to put 700 and I want to put 900. Please, guys, assuming we are assuming here. If you have put your stop loss and you have put your take profit, what else are you going to do? You are going to click on modify. Guys, you see what I did? If we come back to charts, guys, see, you can remove this thing again by clicking that place. Click on it. It's going to remove. So, guys, if we come back to charts, you are going to see that your TP is already there and your stop loss is already there. You understand, guys? So maybe you that used to open plenty position like this, what you are still going to do is on each of it, slide it again. Click on that pencil. Put your stop loss, put your take profits, click on modify. Slide another one. Click on pencil. Put your stop loss, put your take profits, click on modify. Slide another one. Take the pencil. Put your stop loss, put your take profits, click on modify. That is how to quickly pick trade. Guys, have I answered that question? And if they say close this trade, maybe the trade is not yet on profit. Maybe you pick a trade now, buy. You pick a buy trade now, and they ask you, go and close this trade. What you are going to do is slide it to the left, click on this orange box here, click on that orange, and click on close. Can you see? Click on close. Maybe that trade has not hit take profit or it has not hit SL, and they ask us to close that trade. Just go and do like that. Slide like this. Click on this orange. and click here, it's going to automatically close the trade for you, either in profit or in loss, anywhere the market is at that time currently. You understand, guys? Now, guys, look at why I told you guys to use 0.01 if you are using a small account. Now, look at 0.01 for buy. Look at it. It's still on cents. Look at 0.1. It's on -$3. Look at one lot size. It's on $39. Imagine you fund $50 account and you go and use one lot size. In fact, BTC is even small. If it's gold will be greater than this. You understand? Imagine on a $50 account and you go and use one lot size. You know that your account is almost gone. That's why some people just say that, oh, I blow my account. Forex is not for me. It's a lie. It's because you don't know the right thing to do. You get? They don't know the lot size to use on different account size they have. Some people will fund a small account and they'll be using big lot size. It will blow your account. In fact, small pips like this, it will just clear your own account away. Why? Because you don't use the right lot size. So, guys, I hope I've taught you guys how to easily pick a trade now when you see a signal. Let me see if I'm still with you guys. Okay, I'm still with you guys. Good. Okay, I'm still with you guys. So, guys, do you get that point? How to easily pick a signal? I've taught you guys. If you want to put your stop loss, slide it, click on this pencil, put your stop loss, put your take profits, click on modify. You will see that your stop loss and your take profits is already appearing here. You understand, guys? So it's not stress. All what I explain is come here, click on XAUSD, click on charts. This straight line here, look at where it is on that number and ask and go and check the signal. Is that where they ask us to buy from? If it's that place they ask you to buy from, click on this red and blue rectangular box and click on buy or click on sell. Anyone they ask you to do. Come to trade. Slide it like this. Click on pencil. Put your stop loss, put your take profit, click on modify. In fact, it's never up to 30 seconds. You are done with it. Then you start waiting for it to go in profit, to hit your take profit or your SL. Anyone. You understand? Imagine this is a $50 account. You see that the account is gone already. So, guys, if you know you have a small account, don't use $50 gone like that. How many minutes? Gone. And now look at small accounts. Look at people using 0.01. They are still inside the trade. In fact, the trade might not have even hit SLO. Your account is blown already. But all these ones, you just see that trade move back in profits, and all these people are dropping your own results. But because you use big lot size and your account is small, you will just be imagining where all these people are getting results from. But you don't know that you have made a mistake already. You understand, guys? Now, guys, let me teach you how to break even. How to break even. Now, let me use my Android phone with that. Let me use my Android phone with that. So, guys, pay attention. I'm going to switch my phone right now. Sorry, the camera. So you can look at it. So, guys, pay attention. We are still together. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, shit. The account is not here. Okay, let me quickly link it. Let me see how I can link it. Guys, hold on. I'm trying to connect it to my other phone. Please, if you're a beginner, don't leave. All right. Please, what is about this trade that have TP1, TP2, and more? Which of them are we going to put in a trade? Now, a very good question. TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, you can pick any TP you like, just that their profits are different. TP1 now can be $3 if you should hit your TP1 with TP1 now can be $3. I'm talking about with 0.01. TP1 can be $3. TP2 can be $6. TP3 can be $9. You understand? Like, is how patient you want to be in that trade. That is the kind of TP you should pick. You understand? So that is it. In fact, you can open like 3 positions. TP1, first position should be TP1, second position should be TP2, third position should be TP3. But the SL are all the same. You understand, guys? The SL are all what? They are all the same. Like, what am I trying to explain? Look at it. Look at it. TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP. So you can open one position now. Let me go to MT5. You can open one position now. Like this position now. Slide it. Click on pencil. Put your stop loss. Your stop loss are always the same. Put your stop loss. This take profit can be TP1. You understand? The second position you pick, click on it. Your stop loss is always the same. Your take profit can be TP2. Click on the third one. Stop loss, you can put your stop loss. Take profit can be TP3. You understand? And you can even put your stop loss and put TP1 again or TP2, anyone you feel like. You understand? If trade has gotten to TP1, it will automatically close you in profit. If it gets to TP2, it will close you in profit. Any TP it gets to, it will close you in profit. Just that the higher the TP, the higher the profit you are going to make. Do you get that point? Have I explained? Okay, you understand. Okay, good. Now, guys, let me stop sharing so I can flip my camera to my Android. Let me do that. Okay. So let me share my camera, guys. Hope I'm still recording. Okay, yeah, I'm still recording. Guys, let me know if... Okay. Guys, can you see my Android? Let me know if you can see my Android. I'm doing this because if you are using iPhone, and you are using demo, you can't break even on it. That is why I'm doing this. So guys, if you can see it, let me know. Okay, you can see it's good. Now let me teach you how to break even, guys. If you're on a trade, how to simply break even. Hold on, let me put my phone on do not disturb. Yeah. I want to have a good time with my students. So guys, let's go. Now, if they tell you, go and set break even, some will even say set BE. BE simply means break even. Now, this is how to do it. Note, guys, I told you this is a demo account, so don't feel intimidated or anything. Now, demo, you get. I purposely did it anytime I want to host a live call, you get. So now, this is how to do it, guys. What you are going to do is, now note, break even. Let me first define it. Break even simply means go and change your stop loss to where you buy or to where you sell from. That is just the meaning of break even. It simply means what? That trade you enter, go and change the stop loss to your entry. That's just the meaning of break even. There is take partial separately, but break even simply means what? That entry, that your stop loss, go and change it to where you sell from, where you buy from. And you can only break even if you are using 0.02 and above. Guys, do you get that? you can only set, oh no. Actually, you can set break even on any trade, if on any lot size. It's not break even, I want to say. You can set break even on any lot size. Even if it's 0.01, you can set break even. Now, guys, let me show you how. I'm still going to talk about the one that you can't do with 0.01. So, guys, let me simply show you how you can break even. First thing to do is come here and click on, we're on BTC trade now. Click on charts. You understand? Now let me remove this one. Okay, let me expand this very well. Oh, so now this is how to break even, guys. Guys, this is how to break even. Now look at it. Like this BTC trade, let me pick this small one. Like this BTC trade, now look at it. We started buying from where? From 66819. From 66819, guys, this one. From 66819. So what you are going to do is, pay attention. Oh, it's blur. What I'm going to do is 668. Let me put it here. 668. I'm coming. 819. I think there's points. 66819.39. Okay, guys, let's continue. So what I'm going to do now is slide on it like this. Guys, are you following? And click on. Okay. Where's okay? What you are going to do is slide on it and click on this pencil. Click on this pencil. You understand, guys? Now, this is our stop loss. Let's assume we put something there before. You get, we didn't put anything. But let's just assume we put something there before. So all what you are going to do is tap on it and clean the stop loss you put there before and put that your entry point from where you bought from. And where did we buy from? I think we buy from where? C6. Who can remind me? Let me check again. We bought from C6. C6. 819. I'm trying to write it somewhere. 819.39. So guys, this is what you are going to do. You are going to slide on it and click on this pencil. You see this is your stop loss. Click on it. Clean what is there before. Now put that your entry. 66829.39. Can you see it, guys? What else are you going to do? Click on modify. Done. Guys, you see it. That's just the meaning of break even. Now I've set my break even. You understand? Break even simply means your stop loss. Go and change it and put where you buy from. Like this place now. My camera is blurred. Okay. Like this place now, you see where we bought from. 66819.39. You understand? Just go and change your SL to that place. Like this place now, 66807. Just go and change it. Like I'm just going to slide it like this. Click on this pencil. Then this stop loss, I'm going to put down my entry from where I bought from or from where I sell from. Put it there, click on modify. You have break even like that. So if markets go back to that your entry point, it will close you from the market. You understand? It will close you from the market. But the benefit is it won't close you on loss and it won't close you on profit. You didn't lose anything. You didn't gain anything. That's just break even. So now that is where taking partials now come in. So if you are a wise trader, whenever you set your break even, go and take partial. Why are we taking partial profits? Because if your trade go and eat your break even, guys, are you following me? If your trade go and eat your break even and you didn't take partial profits, that trade won't close you in loss and it won't close you in profit. That means you just play that day. You didn't make any money. You didn't lose any money. So let me answer this question. So do we have to break even every time or when we are told to do so? Good question. When you are told to do so, that is when you should break even. You understand? When you are told to do so, that is when you are to break even. You get? So guys, let me now show you how to take partial profits. Maybe you have break even now and you want to take partial profits. Let me show you how you can take partial profits. Oh, this traders go back. Okay, now you can only take partial profits if you are using a 0 point. Oh, you guys can't see my screen anymore. What is going on? Let me share my screen again. Okay, guys, if you can see my screen, let me know, guys. Guys, if you can see my screen now, let me know. Hello, guys, are you still with me? Okay, yes, okay. Okay, let me continue. So, guys, you can only take partial profits if you are using a 0.02 and above. You can't take partial profits with your 0.01. No, you can't. So, whenever you see set BE, set break even, I will advise you that you are using a 0.01, please just go and humble yourself and close your trade. No cap. Just go and close your own trade like that. If you see 0.01, if you are using 0.01 and you see set break even, set BE, you just go and close your own trade. Because if you should set break even with your 0.01, you can't take partial profits. And if that trade should hit your break even, no profit for you, no loss for you. So I will advise you, if you are using 0.01, just close your own trade. You can't set break even. You can only set break even if you are using a 0.02 and above. So now, let's try to break even. This is what you are going to do. Slide it like this. Are you following? Click on this box. I'm coming, guys. Okay. Slide it like this. You see this box? This middle one. Not the first one, or this middle one. Click on it. Now, this is how to break even. So this is how to take partial profits. What you want to do is, this your lot size, you want to reduce it. Now look at it, we're on $3, right? If I reduce my lot size to maybe a 0 point, let me make it half, a 0.2. Can you see? I'm going to close this trade in $1 profit. Are you following, guys? I'm going to close this trade in what? In $1 profit. So I know that, okay, I've secured some profit already. So if I should now go and set my break even, if that trade hits my break even, that one that hits break even, I did not make loss, I did not make profit. But this one that I've already closed on $1, I've secured a profit already. Do you understand, guys? I've secured a profit on this trade already. So even if it hits my break even, this one that I've closed in profit, it will still remain as profit. It won't leave. You understand? So guys, can you see that it was 0.1 before? I reduced it to 0.05. So the trade will now start running at 0.05. But okay, someone said I should come again. Let me go back entirely. This is how to take partial profits. Maybe after you set your break even, now you want to take partial profits. Slide it like this. You see this box here, this box in the middle. Click on the box. Can you see? Now, I told you guys, you can only take partial profit from a 0.02 and above. Because what are we trying to do in taking partial profits? We want to reduce our lot size. You understand? Now, look at this 0.1 now. Can you see that this trade is on $4 profit. If I close this trade now, the entire trade has gone in $4 profit. But if I should reduce it, if I should reduce my lot size now, maybe if you want to take partial profits, reduce your lot size to maybe, let me say half of it, 0.5. Can you see? I'm going to close this trade in $2 profits. Can you see? So if I should close this trade now, I know that on this trade, I've made $2 profit now. If I should now set my break even, and if that trade later hits my break even, that one that hits break even, I'd not make loss, I'd not make profit. But I've already made a profit already here, $2. This $2 now will count as my profit. Nothing will touch it. Even if that trade hits break even, this $2 will still serve as my profit. But eventually, if the trade did not hit break even and later hits full TP, and maybe the trade later hits full TP, is going to go and add to that your $2 that you close in profit. Guys, do you understand? Guys, let me know if you understand. Guys, let me know if you understand what I just explained. If you did not understand, let me know. Oh, not really. Okay, let me explain again. Let me explain. It's really confusing. Okay. Now, guys, calm down. Now, let me now explain like baby. Calm down. Okay, guys, do you understand the break even? Let me first start from there. Guys, do you understand the break even? Guys, let me know if you understand the break even. Okay, you understand the break even. Is there only one person? We're up to 13 on this call. What is going on? Only 2 people responding, or what's going on? Okay, you people understand the break even. That is good. Okay. I can say a lot of yes. You understand the break even. Only the taking partial aspects. Now, let me explain again. Guys, pay attention now. Let's start from beginning again. I said you can only take partial profits if you are using 0.02 and above. If you are using 0.01, like this trade now, 0.01, you can't take partial profits on this trade. Do you get that one first? So that one first, know that I can only take partial profits if I'm using 0.02 and above. Firstly. Now, second thing is, partial profit simply means that your trade that is running. Partial profit simply means that your trade that is running in profit, you want to go and take small profits out of it. I said 0.01, not 0.1. 0.1, you can still take partial profit. But 0.01 is the smallest lot size. So there's nothing you can break it. There's no partial you can take from it again. There's nothing we can break 0.01 into again. You understand, guys? So let's continue. So now, oh, where did I start from? Oh, God. Oh, you guys have distracted me with your question now. Okay, now let's continue. If you are using a 0.02 and above, you can take partial profit. Okay, I was saying something that your trade that is already running in profit, maybe you are seeing $10 profit now. On that $10 profit that you are seeing, you can take small profit out of it and still allow the trade to be going. Do you understand? Maybe they ask you to go and set break even now, and you see that, oh, this trade is already in $20 profits, and they ask me to go and set break even. If I should set break even now, if this trade come back and hit my break even, I won't make profits and I won't make loss. So why did I now enter the trade? You know that we can't actually predict the market perfectly. Anything can happen. That trade can go and hit your break even. And I told you break even is when you change your stop loss to your entry. You understand? So if that trade go back to your entry, it will close you in nothing, in 0.000. You understand? So now, I know. So now, if they see that, go and set break even, and you're already seeing like $20 profits, Do you know that in that your $20 profit, you can take away $10 out and still leave that trade to still be running? Maybe in that your $20 profit, if you take away $10, $10 will still be running. Like you still be seeing $10 profit, like still running. That your $10 can still be running $11, $12, like that. But you have already taken $10 out of it already. You get? That's the meaning of taking partials. So we must be smart as a forex trader. If they ask you set break even, take partial also. First, take partial profits. But if they tell you set break even and you are using 0.01, just humble yourself and close that trade. That is part of risk management for you. Now look at it. Let me now show you how to take partial profits. Now look at this trade now. It's 0.1, not 0.01, it's 0.1. It's running on $4 profits. And they asked me to sell break even and how to take small partial from this trade. I'm going to slide it like this. Guys, are you following? It's not confusing. Look at it. It's already on $4 profit. Maybe we want to take small profit out of it. Slide it like this. What you should do is click on this box here. Can you see this middle one? Click on it. Click on it. So once you click on it, can you see? Close with profits $4.54. If you should click on close like this, all the trade, like this particular trade, will automatically close for you. You understand? But that is not what you want to do. What you want to do is, you see this lot size. You see that we are trading with a 0.1 lot size. Can you see the lot size, guys? We are trading with a 0.1 lot size. So if you want to take partial profits, that means you want to go and reduce your lot size. That's just the meaning of taking partial profit. If you take partial profits, that means you want to go and reduce your lot size. Now, this is 0.10. That is 0.10. Now, we want to reduce it. Let's reduce it to half. You see that it's on what? $3 profit. Now, let's reduce it to half. Maybe 0.05. Close with profits 1.60 profit. Can you see, guys? So if we should close this trade now, this profit that is currently running will be different. Like we have already made a profit like that from that trade. You understand? And we have already set our break even. So even if we should hit our break even, we are going to know that, oh, this trade that I've closed in profit, I own this profit already. Do you get, guys? I own this profit. Now let's use 0.06. Can you see? 0.09. Can you see how many profit we are going to close? Maybe 0.02. See the profits we are going to close it with. But maybe let's use 0.5 now. If we should use 0.5, that is half of it. Close. Can you see, guys? Look at the trade. The trade now is now running with 0.05 profit. You see that this profit is still running. But guys, look at something. Let's look at the trade. This is a trade. Can you see? BTC buy 0.05/0.10. You see that you have closed it in $2 profit. So you have already made a profit here already. And the trade is still running for you. Guys, are you following? And the trade is still what? The trade is still running for you. So that is simply way on how to take partial profit. So you can set your break even on this trade now and just like chill for it to hit your full TP or for it to hit your break even. You know that what? You have already secured a profit already. That is just it. This trade like this, we can still secure another profit from it. Look at it. Slide it like this. Click on this box. This is 0.05. You see that running on $1.06. You can change it to maybe 0.3. Closing profit again. You see that it's still running with 0.2. You know it was 0.05. You remove 0.3 from it. It's still running with what? 0.02. Can you see it, guys? It's still running in profit. But you have already made a profit here already. Can you see? a profit here already. This is 0.02. You can slide on it, click this box, change it to 0.1. Change it to 0.1. Let me try to change it. Change it to 0.01 rather. So it was in 0.02. Let's change it to 0.01. Can you see? Closing profit. Done. Let's go back to that trade. Can you see? The trade is now running in what? In a 0.01. You understand? Now look at all the profits we have made from it. Everything is still accumulating in this place. You understand, guys? But this trade now, you see that it's 0.01. We can't break even again. That's why I said now it's 0.01. Where did you want? Which number did we want to break it to? No number again. That's why if they say that set your break even and you are using 0.01, just go and close your own trade. You get? Because this is 0.01 now. There's no number we can break it to. Only 0.00. You understand? So no number we can break it to. So if we should close this trade now on 0.01, all the trade will automatically close for us. You see that particular trade is gone now. And we have our full profits here. This is it. Can you see? This is the trade. You understand? So that is how to take partial profits. I hope I have not poured too much on you people's head this night. I only taught you guys how to pick trade, how to set break even, and how to take partial profits. That's just it. So don't worry. In our next class, we are going to continue. That is on Monday. We are going to continue. Guys, don't miss this 8 p.m. class. We host class every Monday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Just attend Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Like you are learning all those days. You get? Monday, there will be class. Wednesday, there will be class. Friday, there will be class. No matter the person that is hosting it, just join to learn. Learn new things. Learn new strategy of entering the market. Like, just learn. You get, guys? So, okay, you guys understand now. Okay, good. You now understand. You get? So, on Monday, we are going to continue. So, on Monday, I'm going to teach you guys how you can before you enter a trade, what your stop loss will give you, what your take profit will give you. You get? So don't miss on Monday's class. I'm going to be the one to take it. You get? Don't miss Monday class. I'm going to teach you that, and I'm going to show you an app, ProTrader app, that you can connect with and learn from there also. You get? So after this call, go on the group, our WhatsApp group, and drop value, so that people that miss the call, they won't miss it the next time. You get? They can join also anytime they see that there's a class. You people that drop, you understand, especially you people that ask me a lot of questions today. Please, I want to see all of you on the group. Drop value. Let them know that you guys got value today. You understand? So that they won't miss the class next time. They will know that, oh, okay, it's like people are actually getting value on this call. And all what I've taught you today, guys, practice it. Do you understand? Practice it. You can use your demo to practice. Then move to live account. Don't let it take you too much time before you move to live account, because time is going and we have to make a lot of money. You get? Before you know now, December has come and a lot of oblate December period. We need money to spend. So trade with your live account. Don't just depend on demo. But for now, if you know that you are still a beginner, you are not strong yet, open a demo account. Don't worry, on Monday, I'm sorry guys, we have used so much time today because of so much questions. On Monday, I'm going to teach you guys again how to open a demo account and how to link it with your MT5. Sorry I didn't take that today, but there's no more time. This is 9:12 and a lot of people will have to do something. So don't miss Monday class. I'm going to teach you that. After this call, guys, go on the WhatsApp group. I'm going to be checking all of you especially all of you that disturb with so much questions today. Go on the WhatsApp group and drop value. Guys, you can even tell them where you even got value from and just drop value. Let me see how many people on the call. Okay, 10 people now. So, guys, see you on Monday. We are going to also class on Monday also. See you on Monday by 8 p.m. So take care, guys. Let me stop the recording. Stop recording.